This is the Pinetop Distortion, which is a multi-gain stage hard and soft clipper, complete with a 2-band EQ and a mode switch. Unity gain is at 12 o'clock. The gain switch will increase the gain into the circuit, and from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock you can achieve more of an overdrive type sound. 12 o'clock. Two o'clock. The 2-band EQ composes of a treble knob and a bass knob, and each control is neutral at 12 o'clock, which means that no addition or subtraction of either a bass or treble frequency is taking place. Turn that clockwise will introduce more bass into the circuit and into the signal path. While turning it counterclockwise, takes bass away. The treble works in the same way, where you turn it clockwise and increase more treble. While turning it counterclockwise, takes the treble away. Lastly, there's a tone switch, or a mode switch. Currently it's in its retro position, but you can switch it to the modern. Here's retro. And here's modern. and that is the Pinetop Distortion.